mama omono achia nana mo amahina offer dasin so ho ye de
yes
mamen ka bibi it may be the case it may not be the case
okay
politics enya sorry them na se obi ba se ye be pan sorry sia anase bia ye ho sofo preach wi a ni ebusa se why ene ba ne besra yen de oye foforo wa sorry them bia on sorry nyina ho na ye mana kwa ba yo foforo wa sorry them bia 87.9 na so John ne mo akwa ba wi a na ebusa se obesra yen anase bia oba na ya na besom ti omo ne ye besom no ibi bia na fi ya bompaye me fa yesu se me kra na maje nkwa de keka ho nyina fi mi de ejidi aba abofo edi ahurusie wo osran hemam esan se yenye okra baako edne ko osran hemam na nipa naka politics ntesa
politics nya sorry
dabi
di mafia wom
tie politics loyalty
okay
and loyalty no so you're building it from the base enye ku anauti base
Akoma FM 87.9
at the foundation level na ye dia frosro it is a John the tiene say why do you say okay me no be contest enti me ne call contest no during the peak of the contest no na me ni na fa can you maybe telling even beyond internal politics no letting the opponent outside the party no understand say nipa na competent nipa na ko wi ni awie
all of a sudden 87.9
doesn't play that weight no mo say mo ye contest ya internal contest ya aseme be free one aba no e ma nye so damn say e be sell wo candidate out to the opposition party o hwe MPP a NDC ansheda anya adwumaden ni bia in the 2024 elections so MPP internally omo ahonsem omo kan no NDC 45 and keka bomu ene your friends say advert after advert and nko awini omo be 500,000 of the votes politician bia no ye politician minka proper politician but politician bia no ti agro na se no onim se ni internal enemy no ensesa prekope say all of a sudden wa base we see dem no wo afa no adi atum de bi e process o hwe ne kakra ansa na de dwumadi bia hye ne nsa onim
yes
at the electoral college level no every delegate a messenger of the party during the campaign period.
Akoma
FM
87.9
call rule into your man resources now so they are conform into polling station executive member biano unya resources nibi sometimes if free strohona na be electoral area coordinators ne so no mo so dia ma polling station for no mo na moko boda huro no it is a polling station executive be anywhere from pe resources ne be kan nsa pe wo ni ma mienu either so betena so ana said they also dey conform no omfa nko na afi omo a omo di wachi mo na
FM 87.9
to omo so what would they do? They will not extend the campaign at your own anti it at the end of the day it will go against you. They make not just na mensa
matuase
say me say presidential candidate no during the elections no and in the lead up to the elections no resources no so no dey ba ibia or the BC the various MPs so MPs and as bia I mean regional executive or whatever but MPs at the end of the day in fact in most cases MP na lead campaign at the constituency level the resources be see MP ne so a ono onyanyame it also no so dey ade ne kofom afi obefre polling station executive electoral area coordinators no so dey ade na ma omo mebo a wo de ma omo wi a wo so dey be kofom it is a electoral area coordinator bi and our polling station executive bi sestera no oda so ebo mafia even after the elections no a resources no be kan nsa wonfa nko
na after election they senka after election they senka
yes
can be akwa party ni nyina yeko
meba
ana party ni
meba
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi
EBS bibiri etasi all the time anaso de beko kra no a esanse woni wafa on hye de ni abada ebia ma no obete so nti adeno de form for no ebo se fu nti omunye campaign wo form yi ma ni wo lusu nti candidate bia no a okopre bibia no o penkrofo mo ye loyal no mo de adwuma na hye o nsa nti it plays out in elections.
But how to do it?
But
yes,
how to do it here? Another thing. Look,
Kumasi.
it's like I said, politics. Yeah, sorry, them.
Yeah.
In politics, there are a lot of operations. It be a clean, it be unclean. Sorry, I say the most important thing is say it is in line with the party's constitution. But don't forget, say constitution be as also no. Tokro kakra da ho. This are tokro no na ya nom tadi o madi. But at the end of the day, there no air share ni mu ne say nipa no a omo album ni mu no omo na ebe ye adwuma kese no because they from the electoral college and as a delegate no at least enyenye kra no ebu be 80 to 90% there omo ye loyal omo be bo ne course na wo ye MP wote so tiu ti wo ye MP wote so o sa kra opposition na se we o aban mu and a party or aban mu wonim say constituency now on answer kra na ho beba no bre pa you can't trust all the people mo abom nim say dey no dey no me renew mandate sikaso na wo dey koto aba na sikaso na dey ko elections no
Akoma FM 87.9
you will do everything possible to ensure say enkrofo no a omoye tu ahene ne asi ahene fo no enyenye hekra no enye 100% tu but majority die eye wo nkrofo a se nyame eboa na se edu parliamentary primary says you to presidential be edu parliamentary primary on beto amount so you have an interest no that you see say media me no me a journalist so I'll face the fact be a politician be there no obeka dey be there but you will make sure say omo album ni mu there there are people who vote for you now obeka ko je bosia and I be register akoto sika egu when you are not sure of the album no
so you was a party for no I also party for TSC.
No, also TSC. Look,
because me attack say time and now
absolutely
not forms in Emma. This will be a balance where you so be use forms no they are better na
Emma no you see no politics but if free people should understand it.
Wow.
Politics are yeah observe a channel. But say the one ya talk wo better so name all dey talk rally baby nim it dey tie ne say constituency wo no mu ye nipa 100 e na mo mafia no a say enkoye say no nipa 100 nya ya mafia mo emu 80 bi die e wo say mo hoka and you have to understand wo kra no a wo ka ho no you have to understand because John me ade no me say boa me na me mfurudua no am mfurudua no ka me nsem me chinsem bibiri basa ene nyame adom na sematimi afrodua no a na mu ye nipa mienu ena mu gina ho ebi a nipa mienu right media ba ko no obu a me egina ho ena wo so a wa mu ame no so gina ho wana mefa no
it's any obvious
yes eti di ono obu ano no ena obi a say the more pray for executive position bia no a obere so betimi ewuram because onena build that kind of loyalty no ewo ho. It is ono no timi wuramu a obetimi aserve ni interest proper and not just what time but this is operations. So that is how politics, that is how it is played across board. MPP, NDCU, Why you? That is how agronomu dino.
Why?
So they are here.
So the best day me at yes.
No.
Also in your bread the politics
yes.
Mafia
no. You see, mafia no they also tears here. No. Politics no. But medical catch was a politics nya sorry dying. They make cannot tears here. And nya sorry them. Interest. Why the bit me abua me na meduru ho. Okay. Yanko 2015. What happened to Afuku?
Kying.
There were some speculations that Afuku no intimi mwa Emma party intimi ma power 2016.
And you no nkwa kra.
Akoma Japan man. If ko abuna Afuku mwa. Same crap.
Yes, I mean.
Party name in 2016.
Oh, in here.
Absolutely. So they say.
I see.
And it's about interest. It is a no feel say no. Wo no betimi aha no. Ubetimi aha no. Baby opese ode ade ne fa no ha betimi aha no. Enti no dabi ode wo ye nipa but wo no eba say ye de dwumadie no operations na akasa de emfa wo ni animu. And obi o ye police station executive bia so edru campaign o play.
Oh yes.
An integral part of the operation. Yes.
Police station.
Yes. It was also squad. Yeah. It is that the person in trust will say it is an or more lead operations. So after what do we have to? Okay, so the whole camp I'll see accept it is I'll see a jitum say bad now the friend saying grand old party GOP and our friend Republican party omo mutisui Trump mu yi obi ana Trump use no
oh no
ebi mu kura omo wo GOP mu kura no a omo ne Trump nya adwen osira ni omo obi okura to otimi fa no asa yi na di so that is politics. You need to understand it.
So understanding it,
you need to understand it.
Now, one in a better. Can't you also work against Nippon? Because
because
the audio you be a say, Adia would Modia Yasmesi party no. What you to your party, no Juma Panamu say dear, and your con was my party Juma.
But you see, listen. There's always going to be casualty.
Definitely.
There's always going to be casualty. It is a nena wire casualty. It's now we did there. You need to understand it.
And an amuru catching you
need to understand
and your police station.
Yes.
Executive planner.
That is
party Juma.
Yeah, that is politics.
Wait when your party Juma be a
that is and listen. The fact of the matter is that. And this is based on observation. It doesn't mean that a tier and as an ecoso because you follow political parties no ache. Say any a sedun ketia epe meboa. Julius also epe meboa. Good. And a more maka. But you say contest in the name say ejina omumi so.
Yeah.
Are you telling me say Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi. They will not be prioritized if a fear said you get here convenient.
As is required, what to say a Professor Joshua Abizu so
Pacho, dear I can say on any banner dear. Absolutely. A yana murefisa abeno. Entity asie so say ebia during the campaign no. We a campaign gidigidi tia Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Obi so ye de man no ena mo bienu nyama ko crash ana nipa bia mi pa be 9 bia ba ko anya ma Bawumia nipa miensa ye ma Bawumia ena ko crash mo nyama position
87.9 Kumasi
cut a system no no here omo campaign ni man no na system ni be here
politics
that is politics yes enya sorry juma so when that happens you need to understand
politics
yes you need to understand me honestly say me a politician right that's a me person me call vie for any position
what do we show him see with mama fia
yes me especially say bia me mini panoa me peno no say bia we nya me campaign man no we nya me mama expectation yet too high say baby me person me bua no ebia menyam emwa bebre me hwane say because edu ho no me man koboa
okay
it me expect say ono so de na ho ni nya ba beta machi but no so ntre say baby a party ne hyehyɛ no so da no yɛ den yebu so
right Evans me da se nti emjafo